today we are going to get right into this video, and we are going to continue on with our Valentine's Day series, our DIY series. So today we are going to use two of these little pink lips that I got from Dollar Tree. Well, actually I just spray painted it pink, and we're going to use two of these round mirrors, some glue, our little brush. We are going to use some of this crushed glass mixture. We're also going to use our bling wrap, or whatever you want to call it, hot glue, and glue sticks. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this these lips, and we are going to go ahead and outline the indentions with bling wrap.
About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Okay, y'all, so this crushed glass mixture I've used several times, and some of it's sticky. So I'm going to go ahead and shake some of this on. I'm trying not to get on the lines where the diamonds are, but it's okay because I'm going to just, you know, move it out. Move it off of there a little bit.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
Okay, Glam fam, so I'm just gonna go in here and try to get some of these because I don't want any in the middle. I want it to have a definite line, like a definite border or whatever. So I'm not trying to put any in the middle. Okay, Glam Fam, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here, I'm going to let this dry, and then we'll come back and finish the rest of the project. Okay, Glam Fam, so we've let these lips dry, and we're just going to turn them on the back side, and we're going to take these little jingle blocks, and we're going to glue them onto the back side.
Look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Okay, with this part, we're not going to glue it all the way on the back. We're going to leave it hanging off of the end a little bit, and I'm going to try to get it in the middle as much as possible. Okay, I hope that's in the middle. We'll soon find out, won't we? Excuse me. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to glue the other piece with the exact, like measure it up and, glue it on there like that. And I'm trying to get it as straight as I possibly can. Okay, now I want to say that if you like, you could put some lighting in here. I'm not, but you definitely could, like, put some string lights around or fairy lights or whatever around the edges of it. I'm just not going to do it, but you really can. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this mirror and we're just going to glue them together. Trying to get it as even as possible. And then we're going to take some of our wrap and wrap it around the edges. Okay, so we're just going to put glue on the bottom. And then we're just going to go ahead and place the lips on top of the mirror. And we're just going to let it sit and let it dry. Okay, I decided I'm going to use some of these cute little gems from Dollar Tree to go inside to go around the edges. Okay, Glamfam, so just stay tuned so we can see how these cute little lips turn out. Okay, Glamfam, so for this DIY, we're going to use this Lazy Susan. I got it from DD's for $3.99. It's a 12-inch. And I also got a 12-inch mirror. I got that from At Home. We're going to use glue gun, glue sticks. We're going to use some of our beautiful diamond wrap, and we're also going to use these beautiful gems that I purchased from Amazon. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and open this package of gems. They are so cute, y'all. I purchased some red and some pink, and y'all know I love pink, so I had to look at that. Look at this Glam. Oh, this is super glam. Y'all know I love this. You know how you get excited about like colors and stuff like that, like pretty glittery, shimmery stuff. That's how I get. So the first thing we're gonna do, and this is an easy, very, very easy DIY, y'all. So we're gonna do this really, really quick. Okay. So I'm only gonna take, I was gonna paint this, but I decided not to. I was just gonna leave it white. So anyway, we're just gonna take our bling wrap and wrap all the way around the Lazy Susan. And y'all, this is my last piece of diamond wrap. I had to order some more, so I have some more coming, but I'm gonna make use of what I have. Isn't that how we do, y'all? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go around this, and all of it is not gonna fit, so I'm gonna have to add some I'm gonna say scraps to what I have. So I'm gonna do this off camera, y'all, so I could go ahead and get finished with it and then come back and show you how it looks. Okay, Glam fam, so now we put our wrap on here. So now we're just gonna take our mirror and we are going to glue it on top of our Lazy Susan. And of course, y'all know that I'm not using anything like a heavy duty glue because I usually reuse a lot of the things that I have, so I plan on reusing this. Okay, so once we have our Lazy Susan and our mirror glued together, we can start putting our gems on our mirror.
About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take.
Okay, Glam fam, so I'm done putting the pink gems on, and y'all, while I was putting them on, I thought about, hey, how would these gems look? So I'm going to put some gems, the clear gems, they're smaller, in between each of the pink gem to cover up that glue a little bit, and just to give it a little bit extra glam. So that's what we're going to do, y'all. We're going to take these gems and put them in between each of the... Now, the gems that I put in before, y'all, they're not perfectly, separated or whatever. But I think this will, make it look, all put together. So that's what I'm going to do is add these little gems in between.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Okay, Glam fam, so this is how the cute little lips turned out. Almost kissable, y'all. So it is so cute. I love it. It'll be perfect for a little girl's room or just for the Valentine's Day holiday. So I hope you all like this. Let's look at the other DIY.
It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time.
Okay, Glam fam, so this is how everything turned out. I just absolutely love this tray. It's a great way to hold your lashes, your bath bombs, your perfume soaps, and your makeup applicators. Y'all, it is so shimmery and so cute. I just love it. So y'all, if y'all love it, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.